What's going on, guys? Nebula here. Just want to let you know I just received something in the mail. I just wanted to let y'all know I want to do my unboxing and first impressions right now. Yeah, let's go see what I got on Amazon. Be right back. Let's see what the mailman has brought me. This is delivered. Oh, why you look at that. That's awesome. Bam. Okay, guys, so the products I decided to get were actually something called Proof Labs. Essentially, it's basically earplugs for your AirPods Pro. They're made out of memory foam, so they're I think a little bit better. It'll fit on your ear better. And they also come with a pair of wings. Those are actually for the people who actually want to work out and stuff like that. It's perfect. It's perfect for them. It's also perfect for people who have smaller ears or ear holes or whatever you want to call them. But yeah, they're real good. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up, see what's going on, and then I'll tell you my first impressions here in a bit. Okay, guys, so I was actually gonna take my time and open these and everything, but I just realized it's as simple as just opening up the top. Once you open up the top, it seems here you're able to already get, I believe these are the wingtips. Go ahead and get the unboxing knife. I cut my, no, I'm just fine. No, okay, yeah, so let's open them up real quick. These are basically it. You just put your earphones in here. I'll go ahead and give you a little demonstration here in a bit. After that, let's see what else we got here. So you actually get two pairs, which was what was included in the Amazon description as well. So yeah, you get two of those. Let's see, is there any difference between the both of them? They're not any difference or anything like that. They're just giving you two extra pairs. I'm gonna go ahead and put those to the side. We'll try them out here in a second. They also give you Thanks a Million. Join our P-Buds Perks program. You know, stuff like that. File them to the side. What else we got here? Actually, where are the buds at? That's what I was looking for. Awesome. Okay. This trash out the way. Anything else in the box? Nope. Alright, so basically what these are earbuds. They did say it comes, the buds are actually memory foam, so they should fit a lot better and feel a lot better, especially in your ears. But let me go ahead and put some of these on and see what they look like while I'm wearing them. Basically, that was the unboxing just for the Proof Labs, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this as well, and I'll let you know what this is in a second. But first, let me go ahead and just put that on my AirPods Pro. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, now that I've got my AirPods Pro, let's see how easy it is to put these on. Okay, get both of these. And it's fairly simple. I mean, even changing out your earbuds is pretty simple. I have small ears, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just pop them off right here. Let that fall down, and then I can see that they have a good amount of them, but I'm gonna go with the little ones. I feel like the little ones would serve me best. Let's find out. And go with those. I'll go with these wings right here as well. So let me go ahead and pop this other one off. And replacing the earbuds isn't that hard either. It's just hard right now just because I'm doing it behind the camera, of course. But simple little push. That should be good to go. Way more sturdier, I gotta say, way more sturdier. That's how it would look like. Go ahead and put that on the other one. Earbuds are in. When both earbuds are in, I will be putting on the wings. And if you can see if my camera focus there, you can see a small little L right there, indicating which side to put it on, obviously. So let's see. No, it's fine. Now let's see. These are the left ones. So what you want to do is you want to line up the holes, both holes together. And that's how you basically can put them in. You just put them in, slide them through, and just make sure you get them there correctly, lined up correctly on there. There goes one of them. Let's go ahead and do the other one. Like I said, you just want to make sure you line up every little thing. Both of them. Back spot's marked. This one's marked as well. So this is what they will look like whenever you put them on there. The only drawback to these though is when you put them in the case, they will not be able to close down. You'll be able to put them in there, but obviously they're not gonna close. So yeah, it's gonna be a hassle just taking them off. And then, but either way, I mean, just put them on when you're gonna go for a run, for a workout, anything like that. And then whenever you're gonna charge them up, I mean, these last for a good minute. I'm not gonna lie, I really do recommend these AirPods Pro. Mostly because of the noise cancellation, but anyways, yeah, all you're gonna do is just take off the wings and they will close. Let me go ahead and give you and show y'all what it will look like in ear. So be right back. Okay, so I'm about to show y'all guys how the AirPods wings and the other tips actually look like when you wear them and stuff like that. So if you can see here, the wing goes inside that the little slit in your ear, which makes them really it basically does not let them fall off your ears if you're doing any type of exercise or anything like that. They're fairly inexpensive. I actually got them for about $14, $15 around there. But yeah, let me do a little bit of close-up. If you see some earwax, please just, leave a comment. Tell me to take a shower or something. But yeah, that's how that looks. And then this is how this looks. And then I'm gonna go ahead. I'll do one more time just in case. And then I'm gonna do one more time. Put them in. Ears are correct. I'll do my shake test. Nothing here. Nothing here, nothing here. So yeah, I say these are pretty good. First impressions, at least, yeah, they're pretty good. I'm just gonna have to go for a jog or something like that, see if maybe they'll fall off while I'm treading or anything like that. But yeah, other than that, they're pretty amazing. I like the sizes they come with. I think it's called extra small for the earbuds, so I think those fit actually wonderful for me. So yeah, guys, that was actually my first impressions and unboxing. I just wanted to let y'all know I will be leaving a link to these in the description, just in case y'all are interested or anything like that. Please make sure to subscribe. I've been seeing a lot of support from y'all guys. I really do appreciate it. I'm really trying. Obviously, I don't know if some of y'all know that, doing YouTube, it's a hassle, but I'm ready to do this, and yeah. So yeah, please, if y'all would like, leave a like, comment if you think you're gonna get it, subscribe for more content like this. I will be doing a lot of more technology content for sure. I have another project in the work. I just decided to start off with something small like this, just to see how everything goes on and stuff like that. Even though it's still not going to discourage me from making any tech videos or anything like that. So please, like I said, leave a like, keep showing the support y'all been showing. Please share it to all your friends that you know. That way, I can start getting more stuff. I can start actually like reviewing stuff that y'all actually want to see or something like that. I hope this actually helps somebody out, especially with the AirPods Pro. I know they had advertised that it was good for exercising and stuff like that. There's a lot more earphones out there that are really good for exercising, but with this is a good alternative. Like I said, it's not that expensive. It was like 14 bucks and then they fit perfectly in my ears. If they don't fit perfectly in your ears, just go ahead and try different sizes and stuff like that, see what fits your needs, different earbuds and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, other than that, guys, it's been Nebula. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Later.